Hi everyone, I'm Veet Karen from Veet's Vegan Cooking School, and I'm here to talk about milk. Okay, so when people decide to become vegan or they have to give up dairy because they're lactose intolerant, they'll often write to me and say, what do I do with my tea? And I love soy milk in my tea, but I know that's not everyone's cup of tea. And the thing that has become most popular and people say is the most similar to milk, especially in coffee, is oat milk. So I don't make oat milk because I'm gluten intolerant, and in the course I show you how to make almond milk. Which course am I talking about? I'm talking about the online course, which I just launched on Tuesday, and there's almond milk in there for people who are gluten intolerant. But if you can tolerate oats, what I've got here is 1 cup of oats. It's been soaking overnight, and I put 2 cups of water with it, but ideally you could get a bigger bowl and put 4 cups of water with the oats, and you leave them soaking overnight, and then when you wake up in the morning you pop them in the blender. I actually put in a pinch of salt, so you can do that as well. So I'll just grab the blender jug, and so we pop that water also in with the oats. And then two, whoops, that will be loud, sorry, and 2 more cups of water. Now I'm using filtered water. It's really good to use filtered water. You could add in here all sorts of things. So when you buy the cartons of oat milk, it's got sunflower oil and sweetener, but so you could actually put maple syrup in, but we're not going to do that just because oats are pretty sweet already. So we'll pop this on the blender and blend it up for less than a minute. So I'll just push this on. So you could go for a bit more than that. About just less than a minute would be good, 50 seconds. But I didn't want to, I thought I might lose you if you're just there watching me do that. And then you grab a nut bag or a piece of muslin, or if you haven't got those, you can use a strainer, and you're going to strain out this lovely milk. Just pop that there. And we'll strain this into the nut bag. And so that's pretty easy to make. And then you'll just strain that, whoops, and hopefully not spill it like I just did. But if you do, that's easily fixed. And that's your almond milk. And then what I'm going to do is put it in that jug and pop it. It's not almond milk, it's oat milk. I'm going to put it in here, put it in the jug and pour it into here, and label the date because it only lasts about 5 days. So that's how you make oat milk, everyone. Let's have a look at it. Look how rich and creamy it is. Yeah, if you haven't checked out my online course, do. It's so worth it. Even one recipe in there is worth the cost of it. And please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.